Everybody should take an opportunity to do this. This is a GE dishwasher. And what you'll find is there is a filter right here. And you just have to take and twist it out. And I'm almost embarrassed to show you how dirty this one is because I've never cleaned it, didn't know it was there. But here is the filter. And as you can see, it's very dirty. We just take it off, wash it out, use some Dawn dishwashing detergent, put it back in, ready to go, nice and clean. It'll take the smell out of your dishwasher. Be sure to like and subscribe. There you go. Be sure to get it good and clean. And as you can see, that's a huge difference, and it will take the smell right out of your dishwasher.